Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to enable Game Booster in Samsung A16. If you're using Samsung A16 and now you want to enable Game Booster in your device, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open Gaming Hub in your device, just tap on it and it will be open. Now select three dots in the top right corner, select it and then select Game Booster here and it will open Game Booster settings. Basically Game Booster is built and enabled in your Samsung A16, but you can optimize or customize it. So let's see how. Here's the game optimization. You just have to tap on it, and here if you want to select game optimization or game performance, so you can easily select where what is it, battery saver, balance, and performance. You just have to select performance for better gaming experience, and here you have much more setting, which is quick action buttons. You can easily select quick action buttons from here, and here the screenshot resolution, screenshot format, notifications. If you want to block notification on your gaming modes, you can easily do that. So that's how you can easily enable and use or customize gaming booster and your Samsung A16. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.